So this epic wallet is of course Alexander McQueen. It's just stunning. That fantastic skull clasp. Okay, so the wallet comes with if I can pick it up, Alexander McQueen box, and it comes with a Selfridges dust bag. So let's talk you through the wallet. So beautiful black leather, of course the skull clasp on the front. I'm going to open that, show you that. Alexander McQueen there. And we've got one pocket on the front. And then on the back, it's a press stud closure. Inside, on this section, you've got a divider, so you've actually got two pockets there. Here, there are two note pockets, okay, two there, and then 5 card slots, and the Alexander McQueen is in that bottom corner, just there. It's absolutely exquisite. It is just beautiful, beautiful wallet. I absolutely love it. Condition, exterior, excellent condition. Interior, excellent condition. The hardware I've called very, very good. There is nothing wrong with it. That skull is absolutely in excellent condition. The only slight sign is there's a little sign of wear on this clasp here. I don't think that's because it's been used. I think it's just the nature of how the clasp works, that the hardware will show that somebody has opened and closed the clasp, probably even just look at it in the store. But I didn't want to call it excellent for that reason. Most people would say it was excellent, but you know me, I like to be absolutely ultra honest, so I've called it very, very good. But the rest of it, interior, exterior, is excellent, and it is just so gorgeous and scrummy. So there is a link to this wallet on our website in my comments below the video. So go to the comments below, hit that link, go to the website. Don't forget, if you haven't already signed up to our newsletter, we will send you a discount code for 10% off your first purchase. It will take you 20 seconds to do. Scroll to the bottom of any page, fill it out, get signed up. Also, subscribe to this channel and set up your notification alerts, because we are having Armcandy coming in and new videos going on every single day. You don't want to miss your dream piece of Armcandy because you didn't subscribe and someone else got in there before you. So subscribe to this channel. And also, in the comments below, I have put a link to our Instagram. If you're on Instagram, please come and join us on Insta. Follow us on our Instagram journey. I hate that word, journey. Come and follow us on Insta. Sign up to this channel. Sign up for the newsletter to get your discount code. And the link to the website is in the comments below.